Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the new Wissonly high runner bone conduction headphones. So this is the open ear headphones that allow you to hear the outside world while you enjoying the music. It is great for a runner, biker, or if you are cooking or do anything else while you try to hear your family member or friends talking to you at the same time. So the sounds transmission through ear bones, no pain for a long time wearing it. Keep aware of your surrounding for safety listening. And it offers a hi-fi sound quality, latest design sound conduction vibrator, adjustment by top acoustic laboratory, full enclosed sound chamber, no sound leakage. And this one also comes with the diving grade waterproof IP8. It can still work 20 meters underwater. There is no need to worry about whether it can be used normally when swimming or sweating. It also has a 32GB of built-in memory that can store 500 songs. It's both a powerful MP3 player and an advanced Bluetooth headphones. Continues to play songs for 12 hours and offers 2 hours fast charging. It uses magnetic charging technology, fully charged within 2 hours, and it is waterproof and dust proof. So I have to give a shout out to Jerry from their marketing team for sending me this. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description so you guys could check out this item. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, sticky. So here's the headphone. It says swimming, running, biking, mountaineering. And it is made in China. Go ahead and open this up. This is just a sleeve. Wow. Pretty nice. Here's all the control buttons right here, under here. And then there's a LED indicator right there. It's an on and off button with the plus and minus button on the left and right hand side. And you got the magnetic charging port right there. This is like a rubberized material right here. And this is the aviation gray titanium alloy, never deform after 100,000 bend test. Okay, and it is comfortable to wear. And probably the charging cable. It's like a rubber band. Let's see. So here's the charging cable. It is magnetic. And this design, it is dummy proof. You could only fit one way. Okay, very easy. You don't need to plug and unplug. Just let it sit and it's charging. Let me plug in real quick with my power bank. So there's a charging LED right there, flashing red slowly. That means charging. So let's go and then power this on real quick by pressing the power button right in the middle section. So it is powered on. Wow, it seems like it's playing music by itself. Let's see. Wow, the sound quality on this thing is very nice. Alright, let's go over the function key real quick. This is the power on and off button. Long press the power on key for 1 to 3 seconds. The light is on, and if you press again and hold it down for 1 to 3 seconds, then the light is going to be off. And if you do the music play, if you press the increase button right here, single click, you increase the volume. And if you press the decrease button right here, one time, it's going to adjust the volume up or down, okay, accordingly with a single click. And during the music play, if you want to play the next song, you gotta press and hold down the plus long press, and it's gonna jump to the next song. Oops. The power is to play music and then pause with a single click, okay? And then the last song, you're going to press this and hold it down, long press. It's going to go back to the previous song. And for answering the phone, if you want to answer the call, you need to press the power key to answer the phone, okay? And then press again to hang up the call. And if you got a call coming in, you want to decline it, you're going to double press this home button right there to decline the phone call. And then for the volume control, during a call, you could press plus or minus to adjust the volume. And then phone, Bluetooth earphone switch, you're going to press power key for 1 second. Press and hold it down, okay? To switch the phone and the Bluetooth. And then how to pair the Bluetooth, you're going to press this power button and then hold it down for 3 to 5 seconds. And then the indicator light will in red and blue flashing state. And then you can start pairing with your devices. And then the device name for this is Wissonly High Runner. And then you're going to click to finish on your device. And to switch the Bluetooth to Mp3 mode, you're going to double click the power button key right here in order to switch to Bluetooth and Mp3 mode. And in order to download the songs, you need to hook this magnetic charger, unplug this, and then hook it out to your PC or your Apple MacBook or whatever, notebook or iMac in order to transfer the MP3 musics, okay? So let's go ahead and try to sync it with my smartphone. So you're going to go to setting, go to connection, and then Bluetooth. So I'm going to make sure it is off first. So it is on. You can see the blue light. And then you say power off. Now I'm going to power on. And then press it 3 to 5 seconds. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Alright, it's on the Mp3 mode. Double click it. Alright, so now the Bluetooth is flashing. I'm gonna go to my smartphone. Sometimes if you don't see it, you can click on scan or press on and off your Bluetooth and then try it again. You need to scroll down. Okay, it's right here, this one. High runner. And you say pair. Okay, say successfully. Alright, so over here, it also show you the percentage of the battery level remaining. Alright, so I'm gonna play the music real quick. So, MACDADDY, so no copyright. Just once. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. This one vibrates. If you press minus, longer for the previous sound. Okay. If I press again the plus, longer, it's gonna go to the next song, which is the first song that I was playing. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys when I wear this, what's it gonna look like, okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.